Let's write a program to display prime numbers between an interval. Okay, so hash include stdio dot h. Let's get into the main function. First I will declare a, b. I'll have a variable called flag, and then I'll have two for loops inside, so I and j. Okay, then let's prompt the user to input to the limits. Enter the limits. Okay, and then scanf %d twice, comma, ampersand a and ampersand b. Next I will run a for loop for I equals the lower limit till I is lesser than or equal to the upper limit. Keep incrementing I. If I equal to 0 or I equal to 1, you can continue. And in my inner for loop for j equal to 2, because we have checked the case for 0 and 1, j equal to, oh my god, j less than equal to I by 2, yes, j plus plus. If I mod j equal to 0, then flag, right, so after this if condition I will say my flag is equal to 1. So if my flag is 1, in the later stage of the program I will print the prime number. So this means that the iteration I in this iteration is a prime number if flag is 1. So once we get into the for loop, if flag becomes 0, then the I value for this iteration is not a prime number. And the logic behind this is if I can divide j in the range of 2 to I by 2, so in between 2 to I by 2 and I by 2, any of the numbers, if it can divide j, if it can absolutely divide j, then it's not a prime number. Flag is equal to 0 and then break. Right, and outside the inner for loop I will say if flag is equal to 1, then printf %d I, and outside the for loop I'll say return 0. Now let me save and run the code. Enter the limits. I will say 0 and 10, 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers between 0 and 10. Let me run the code again. I will say 10 and 50. So these are the prime numbers. And let me run the code again. I will say 0 and 100. These are the prime numbers between 0 and 100.